What's up, weight warriors? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another skipping rope challenge edition. I hope you've been doing well and you've been keeping fit. If you've not, don't worry, your girl got your back. That's why I'm back today with another form of exercise. And today we're gonna be toning our butts, our hip area, our thighs, and remember to do specific exercises on those areas where you want to burn fat, because they will help to tone those areas and give you the figure that you want. So if you're like me who's trying to reduce your thighs, tone up your butt, and just make your hip look bigger, I want you to join me in this exercise. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click on that button and together we're gonna do great things. In the course of the exercises, I'll be bringing you a lot of testimonies my students have been giving me concerning this program I started. So for those who don't know, I'm having an online weight loss class going on right now, and the next edition is starting in June. So if you're interested in this class, I want you to leave a comment down below and I'll get to you, or you can send me an email on my email. I think I'm gonna leave it in the description. Okay, without much ado, let's just move into the workout of today. Yeah, before we move into the workout of today, as usual, I'll be working with some of my students that have really been serious and sending in their workout videos. I do this to keep on encouraging them, because now they are no longer students but they're influencers. They influence others to work. So those workouts will not be by myself. I'll be having a combination of clips. I just wanted to make that clear so you wouldn't get surprised when you see other faces. Okay, I talk too much. Let's move into the workout. So after warming up, I'm gonna start with the skipping rope, but I'd like you to see this testimony given by one of my students. She lost 4 kg already, and this is the 3rd week of our class. So the skipping rope really helps with your general body toning, so it's very important to skip every day. And this cross trainer too, it exercises your muscles, the waist muscles, exercise your hip muscles, and it does not hurt your knees. So cross training is very important, and I'm putting up these images so that you can see the importance of cross training. I always try to do this on a daily basis because I've discovered that it really helps tone my body. Like I told you guys, I lost weight without exercising, so I had a lot of flappiness to deal with. And this is just some more importance of cross training. You can get yourself a bike, but cross trainers are the best because you really work your arms, they tone those arms. They help work your shoulders, but with the bike, your upper body is just still while the lower body does the work. That's not the case with a cross trainer. A cross trainer makes you work your entire body. So go get yourself a cross trainer. You don't need to get any fancy cross trainer. You can see mine. Mine is a very local and affordable cross trainer. So I try doing this on a daily basis, and it really helps me. I can't emphasize on this enough. A lot of students have been sending in their testimonies. Unfortunately, most of them are in voice notes, so I'll not be able to play, but eventually I'll be putting up screenshots of all the testimonies we've had this far. Please, the next edition of this weight loss class is coming up in June, the 2nd week of June. Please get to me and I'm going to register you for this class. It's important to stay motivated when working with a good number of people. Now I'm going to get into the workout of my students, and I'm starting you can do this on a daily basis, or at least 5 to 6 times a week. Thank you. Bye. I'm gonna see you in my next. Love you.